How to check password in Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord. Click on U located at bottom right corner of your screen. After you click on U, click on Settings at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will find Settings pop up. In here, simply click on Account, which is the second option. After you've clicked on Account, you will find Password at the bottom. Click on Password, and here you will be able to see your password if you click on it, but it is only available if you have auto-saved it. If not, simply open Chrome and then click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen on Chrome. Then click on Settings. After you've clicked on Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Google Password Manager. Then in here, search for Discord. After you find Discord, click on Discord. Verify it's you. Then click on I like button and you will be able to see your password. This is only available if you have saved your password on Google. This is how to check password in Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.